Today we are making something special, lemon thyme pâte fruit. These are jewel-like confections with a clean, bright bite, a citrus punch up front, and a beautiful herbal finish. Cut into tiny cubes, they're absolutely perfect as a decoration on desserts like lemon posset. We start with a thyme infusion. Heat 250 grams of water to around 85 degrees Celsius. Do not bring to boil. Then add your fresh thyme. Cover and steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Here's your first chef's tip. Never boil the thyme. Boiling drives off these delicate green floral notes and replaces them with something more medicinal. We want fragrant, not pharmacy. Strain your infusion and weigh out 200 grams. Now, before anything else, mix your 8 grams of pectin with 20 grams of sugar. This is a non-negotiable. Pectin comes instantly in liquid unless it's pre-dispersed in sugar first. Add the infusion, your remaining 180 grams of sugar, and the glucose syrup to a pan. Warm it to around 40 degrees Celsius, then whisk in the pectin sugar mixture gradually. Bring it to a boil, then cook exactly to 106 to 107 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer. This is the make or break moment. Below the temperature, it will not set, and above it, you will get something rubbery enough to bounce. You don't want that. Pull the pan off the heat and immediately stir in your fresh lemon juice and citric acid. The acid activates the pectin. Adding it earlier in the cook would actually weaken the set, so timing matters here. Then pour straight into your frame. You have to work quickly. This sets faster than you would expect. Leave it to set at a room temperature for 2 to 4 hours or overnight if you can wait. Once it's firm, cut into small cubes and toss generously in caster sugar. I mix mine with some of citric acid for extra tang. That sugar coating isn't just for looks. It will keep the surface dry and prevents the pieces from sticking together. Store them airtight, and if your kitchen is humid, a small silica gel packet in the container goes a long way. And that's your lemon thyme pâte fruit. Bright, elegant, and made from real precision. Place 1 or 2 cubes on a lemon posset, a tart, or even a plated cheese course, and suddenly your dessert looks like it came from Michelin-starred kitchen. See you in the next one!